Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
And I have made up my mind that we have to somehow reach the ruling 2022 and have a ushering development in my constituency. My development has suffered in the constituency because I have not switched sides. I have remained loyal to the party. I have always been a firm person who has taken up issues in spite of having people telling us not to take issues. Maximum number of questions I have taken up in the assembly and I have received accolades for it. Congress party made me a working president. I never demanded it. They made me a working president. Maybe they had obvious reasons. I would like to request my people and my state. You may be surprised with my decision, but it is really taken in the interest and sincere interest of the state as well as my people.